What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash. Today we are headed to the Petersen Museum in Los Angeles to go see the Tesla Cybertruck prototype. If you know me though, first stop, we've got to go to Starbucks. I've got to get my doppio con panna, and then we'll head to the Petersen Museum. Got my Starbucks, let's head to Petersen. So we're headed from Studio City, we're taking the 101, and then we're headed to kind of West Hollywood area. We made it to the Petersen Museum. You could say that there are just a few Teslas here, no big deal. Clearly here for this Cybertruck. I'm plugged in on CHAdeMO. It's nice that these EVgo stations actually have CHAdeMO adapters for Tesla attached to them, which is really slick, even though I have my own. But let's head into the Petersen Museum and check out the Cybertruck. Well, just left the Petersen Museum. The Cybertruck is pretty incredible looking. It's a lot bigger, but actually kind of what I expected. I mean, I knew it was going to be big. The rest of the museum is also really cool. I highly recommend coming here. They have a whole electric car display. They have the EV1, they have the Model S concept, they have the Bollinger truck, they have the Roadster. They have a whole bunch of electric cars. They have the ID3, the ID Buzz, as well as just other iconic cars, the Porsche 918, Special P1, just crazy stuff. Whole display on movie cars. Definitely, if you're in the Southern California area, highly recommend coming. Well worth the money. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more content, hit that subscribe button. Again, thank you guys for watching.